Hi guys, I am out here in the front yard and more of the sunflowers have started to bloom up, and you can see the pumpkins. And I just flipped over like dollar store little organized trays. I didn't have any of those melon cradles. And I also did this to the stems back here that were getting kind of heavy. And you can see another one is going to be happening here, so I'll just gently move that over. The little tendrils keep trying to pull at the grass and pull it down. And you can see I've got a lot of pops of color here in this yellow. Because this is what I'm trying to do, having the pops of red and yellow to coordinate or be aesthetically pleasing with this beautiful little curly willow sculpture that I created. And these have some beautiful little birds on them, which just clip on, which is great because if I want to use this for something else, I don't have clumps of glue there. You can't really see the clips. Okay, so that was the idea for these pots with the cherry tomatoes in them. But what I want to do is give a review on these, and I have grown these, let's see here. Well, this is from December of 2017. It is the Patio Choice Yellow Hybrid. I originally got these from Totally Tomatoes, which I believe the same guy now owns this Seeds and Such catalog. So we are going to see what that has to say. And I need my glasses to do that, so I'll just pan around here and you guys can have a look. Okay, let's see. 50 days, 2017. AAS winner. Produces high yields of 1 inch, 1 ounce lemon yellow cherry tomatoes on compact determinate plants reaching only 18 inches high. Ideal when popped into a 10-inch pot or hanging basket. Mild flavor, juicy, sugar-sweet fruits with just the right amount of acid, broad disease resistance. So if you look at the picture here, it kind of looks like it's a cluster of grapes. Now, I don't have that many doing that. They look more spread out. And let's look at the other plant here too. I think what I should do for next year, by the way, I love the way that these taste. They are, as they say, they're 1 ounce, they're 1 inch. The color is the way that they look. They taste the way that they say they're supposed to taste. But I think what I should do next year is not plant it like a regular tomato, but actually plant the entire thing, almost like you're planting a loose leaf lettuce, and just let this thing bush out rather than acting like you would treat your normal tomato plants. I think that is going to, there's Simone. I think that that is going to be my plan for next year. Now, how can you tell when they're ripe? Well, when they look like this, when they have this color, okay, and when they come off really easily. They're so good. Let me see, look at this one. This one's just now, you see it? Starting to develop. Kind of looks like a little pearl right there. They're so good. Their skins are a little bit thicker than I would like them to be. There really isn't a lot of acid in these, and I know that my sister Emily likes them for the kids because of that reason as well. Now my little niece Ellie, she is probably about as much of a tomato freak as I am. So good. Now what I like to do with these is when you get abundance of these cherry tomatoes, if you will just cut them in half and freeze them, they cook so well on a little cheapo pizza. And if you pull the rest of the things from your gardens, like chives, peppers, onions, what else? Green onions as well. Maybe a little fresh basil. You can really fix up like an Aldi's pizza or Red Baron. I actually really like Red Baron pizzas. So, that is my review on the Patio Choice Yellow Hybrid tomatoes. I will be growing them again next year, and I already have a plan to really increase the circumference of this. Treat it like a big old bush, or I can treat it like a potted flower here. And I do like the location for this as well. It doesn't get that tall, so it's not going to get that sprawling. Let's see on my step here. So that's how big that's going to stay. That is it. It's not going to get crazy. Now look at these sweet 100s. They're still going to keep on growing. These are indeterminate. So whatever you're going to let it do, however it grows, the amount of sun that you give it, the good quality soil and water that it gets, really determines how big this thing gets. This is predetermined. 18-inch. That is it. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Simone's going to have a little bit of a rest out here. Love you so much. Please like and subscribe if you would.